Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Windows Fixer and today I have a tutorial that many of you might find really helpful. I have been receiving messages from some of you about an issues with the speaker icon and not responding on your system. It can be frustrating when technology does not cooperate, but don't worry, I am here to guide you to some solutions that might just solve the problem for you. So the solution number 1, check the physical mute switch. First thing first, make sure to check if your device has a physical mute switch button. Sometimes it might be set to mute and that can affect your audio setting. Number 2, restart your device. One of the simplest yet effective solution is to restart your device. Sometimes all it takes a quick restart to get things back on track. Number 3, check your volume settings. If the speaker icon is not responding, it's a good idea to check your volume settings. On Windows, right click on the speaker icon and open the volume mixer to ensure your app volumes are adjusted correctly. On Mac OS, go to the setting preference, then sound, and then check your output volume. If you are a PC user, then click on the Windows icon, then go into the control. Once you open the control panel, hardware and sound, and then make sure your speaker volume is on level and balance should be okay. If everything is fine, then let's move on to step number 4, update audio drivers. Now sometimes your drivers make a glitch effect and your icon stop working, like the person was saying that this icon is not working when he clicks on it. So the best solution for this, just click on the Windows icon, type device manager, open it. Once you open the device manager, now simply you need to find here the sound, video and game controller. Now here you will see all the adapters, and if you are using a specific audio device, then you can go into the audio input and output and expand it. Now in my case, I'm using here the LCD as in my output, as well my microphone have output, the speaker and the separate speaker for my output. Now the best solution is you can uninstall both of these adapters, the sound, video and game controller, as well the audio input and output. Don't worry, this will fix your problem. Uninstall one by one. I'm not doing this because I'm recording right now and might be make interruption in my recording, so I'm not doing this, but you can do this and then go into the action and then scan for hardwares. It will reinstall automatically. Once you have done this, now the another solution you can do here, just reinstall the Realtek audio drivers. For those, just go on the website. I'll provide the link in the description for you, so you can just follow the website that is mentioned in the description. So just go ahead, download the Realtek audio drivers once again. And once you download from the website, just restart your PC, your problem will be fixed 100%. Lastly, consider if any third-party application or services might be causing conflict with your audio settings. Close background apps and test the speaker icon again can sometimes do the trick. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial helped you get your audio back on track. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumb up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Remember, technology hiccups happens to the best of us, but there's often a solution just around the corner. Thanks again for getting in touch, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Feel free to keep me posting on how things go, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions. Take care and best of luck in getting your system back to its optimal performance. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.